Immerse yourself in the gaming world with the Tilted Nation Monitor Soundbar TNPHASER-W. This compact soundbar packs a punch, delivering crystal clear sound through dual drivers and diaphragms. Whether you place it on your desk or beneath your monitor, its quality sound won't disappoint. The RGB lighting options add a whole new dimension to your gaming setup. With 5 lighting modes, including dynamic breathing, color cycling, and 3 static colors, you can create the perfect gaming atmosphere to match your vibe. Connectivity is a breeze with options to go wired or wireless. Use the 3.5mm AUX cable for a direct connection to your computer, or go wireless via Bluetooth 5.0 for a cable-free experience with any BT-enabled device. Plus, it's simple to power up. Just connect it to any USB device like your computer, laptop, tablet, or power bank. Tilted Nation goes the extra mile by offering up to 2 years of warranty and lifetime support, ensuring you get the best possible experience with the TNPHASER-W. Upgrade your gaming audio setup with this feature-packed soundbar. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.